What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today just showing you another new song by Ashe, which is Save Myself. Really nice song, and I already did one which was featuring Nat Haran, so you can check out. So let's get started. As you can see, we don't have any keyboard for this song, so it's gonna be super easy, just 4 chord progression going throughout the whole song, which makes this super easy. I also want to show you the small what I call this a bit layer. I just want to show you guys. So let's dive into the lesson. Before starting, I just want you guys to hit the subscribe button because it will help your boy and it will also help you out a lot. Now let's dive into it. Just have a look at this easy chord shapes. First chord is a D major, which is mute 0 2 3 2. The next chord will be a C sharp minor, which is obviously a bar chord, which is mute 4 6 6 5 4. Now wait, don't need to get worried. I'm just gonna show you an alternate technique to play this, which is mute 3 mute. So you got all the top strings muted, all the top 3 strings muted with your thumb, and you have 6th fret, 5th fret, 4th fret. That's it. That will work nice though. If you have problem playing the bar chords, you can just check out my channel. I made a video about that. It will help you a lot. Next chord is another bar chord, which is the F sharp minor, which is 2 4 4 2 2 2. Now guys, work out your brain. Again, you can just play the 3 strings, the bottom 3 strings, which will be the G string, the B string, and the high E string 2nd fret. And the next chord is super easy, which is A, which is mute 0 2 2 2 0. Now since you know the chord progression, let me show you the chord progression. It's a A, then a C sharp minor, then you move on to the D, then you move on to the F sharp minor. Now all the chords rest for 1 bar, which means 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So nice and super easy. Now you can even say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right? Let's get started. If you just have a look at the structure, we start with the intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, a bridge, and a last chorus. So I told you the chord progression is same throughout the whole song, so we don't need to worry about that. And you see something like this goes in the piano. So basically in the intro we start off playing the 5th fret on the high E string, which is the A, 8 times. And then we get into the chord progression. We start off with the verse and the pre-chorus, which will be like this. So what I'm doing is I'm playing the individual chords. I'm playing an A major, and as soon as I play that, I actually add my pinky on the high E string, and I strum the whole entire string from the A string till the high E string. And after that, I play this 5th fret on the high E string a total of 7 times. We got down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we got down, then we have a up, down, up, down. So you play that 7 times. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you move on to C sharp minor chord, you play that. You can even play it like this. So 1 down, and you play the 4th fret over here, which is already in the bar index finger. You can just play like this. We play 7 times, so we got down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and D major. Play the chord once, and then we play the 2nd fret on the high E string, which is here in the chord, which is our F sharp. We play 7 times, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and F sharp minor chord, like this. And you can, after that you play the 2nd fret on the B string 7 times. So throughout it will sound something like this, and it's super easy to play. Just adding a pinky and doing some stretches and all, it will sound super cool. 1 2 3 4. that's almost everything. Now if you find this a lot hard, you're a beginner, you can just go with the one down on each chord and that will be enough. Now let's move on to the chorus. Like for the bridge, we have the exact same thing as the verse. You can just do one down on each chord for the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Move on. And that's almost everything. Let's move on to the chorus. Same chord progression, but I just want to show you the rhythm over here, my strumming pattern. The string pattern is kind of a lot easy. It's basically a down, 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 up. So let's break the string pattern. We have the first two down. You can see it's a small down. It's not in capital, so it means it's a down, which mainly focuses on strumming the bass note, which may be the D string, E string, or maybe the A string. So it will be like this on the D major chord, on the E major chord. So down, down, and on the next, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna do a down, which strums the full chord. So we have that accent on there, so you can see it's a D in the cap. So we got down, 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 and after that we have a down, up, and we repeat that chord string pattern twice on each chord. So we got down, 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 up. Last down, up is a normal down, up. It's actually 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes like that. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. That's almost everything, and you just do that twice for each chord. Down, 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 up. So you go. Mistake. So we got down, 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 down. I think this tempo of the song is a lot faster than what I'm playing right now. So let's be a bit fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's almost everything. And now let's have a look at a small melody which I was just trying to show you. It's basically starts off from 10th fret on the B string. We do 7 times we play that. And with the pinky we play 12th fret on the B string. So we got down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. We move on to the 9th fret on the B string. We play that 7 times. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And on the next down, next up, you're just gonna play that. So 7 times and then 1 time on the 10th fret on the B string. So we go down, up, 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 down, up. Sorry, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you go to 7th fret on the B string. You play it 7 times. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You play 9th fret on the B string then, and then you play 5th fret on the B string. And you play that for 8 times. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's see how it sounds put all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. So that's almost everything you need for this lesson. And make sure drumming one of these if this helps you out. Drop me a comment down below any song that you want to learn on guitar, and make sure to subscribe because I just wanted to reach 2,000 subscribers. And there's a big thing which happened to me, and I was actually very worried about that. And it's obviously with my channel, not any copyright strike or something like that, but it's definitely a bad thing which happened to me, something like hacking. I'm just gonna discuss that later on the video, but surely it has made me a lot depressed. Never mind. See you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.